Okay, this reset, no wait, there it is, gold. Okay, okay, perfect. Oh, we're back. I mean, this Friday is gonna be really slow. Not even sure if gold is gonna move up. I mean, we have this 4-hour imbalance in this area. There's a chance gold could go here and then come up, but like for the, well, I don't know, maybe this 4-hour, but we'd like a scoop of this low, and then the next 4-hour candle goes up, and wherever that lands, probably take profit if it goes up. There's a possibility it would just go down because they're rejecting from this area. This is on 1-hour time frame. We have this 1-hour imbalance area, so also, you know, if they do come down, they would probably come down here and then scoop and then go up. Possible. We could ignore this one. This 1-hour imbalance was for, entrance on here. We have rejection. This is basically rejection because, support would be coming into the box and then coming and supporting to continue higher. We failed, and failed basically. So we're gonna go down. Now the thing is, do we continue down lower and break this and go for the 4-hour imbalance? Or we continue down lower and then actually break up and go for the 15-minute imbalance, this area, and reject from here. So basically go up here, reject from here, and then go lower. I mean, so far it's like bearish case scenario because we did a rejection here, but it doesn't really. I mean, if we just drop and then we fail to break. Oh, okay. So yeah, I mean, oh my God. Oh, we're back. I mean, we would like a drop before we go higher, because if we just go higher right now, I mean, that's gonna basically probably confirm that we're gonna go lower. Because in trading, you basically when there's like a little range, if we go down and then go up, there's a higher chance we go higher. Or if we go up and then come down, then we're gonna go lower. So when there's a range, doesn't matter how the range goes. Whatever way we break it, we reverse. So this is sort of like that range. See how we're breaking higher and higher and higher, but we're still not breaking below here. Obviously, it means we're going up, right? But when every time we break higher without breaking this structure, we're not really breaking higher enough. You see, we're just like high just enough. It's not like breaking and then going higher, and then we're just doing this, like nothing really happening. So yeah, so if we do break down here, we want to scoop this imbalance, 1 hour imbalance, come back up aggressively, like high, and then actually come down and show support and then go higher. This is what we would like to see. There's a chance we could just scoop this and just break up and then support somewhere here. But you know what? As long as we break down here aggressively and then come back aggressively, then this is valid. But if we just break down here and then hesitate coming up, then this would be like a failed. So we got to watch that. So we need a nice aggressive break or something and then aggressively up, and then so we could continue higher. But if we do a break aggressively and then we're hesitating and not really like trying to go higher and then wicking here or something, then we're gonna break down low. And my fucking dog is barking, so 1 second. Okay, I'm back. One thing, maybe some of you want to take a short right now to this level, but the thing is, if you go, you could look at 1 minute, like look at 1 minute, like it's in its own range basically, you see. So yeah, just make it more flat. It's in its own range. I mean, you could look for shorts here. I don't think it's really worth it. I mean, unless you're really risky trading. I'd rather go on a 15 minute. No, gold. You could trade gold on 1 minute time frame. Like for example, I had a chance I didn't really enter, unfortunately. When the gold actually broke down and came up here, I could have shorted from here. Nothing crazy, but still, short from there. Target this bottom. Obviously, it wouldn't touch the bottom, but I still feel that we're gonna go down. The problem is, when you look at 15-minute time frame, you see this wick candle. Obviously, it wasn't a wick. It opened here, right? And it was like the most bullish candle ever. So I know we didn't scoop the bottom, but because this candle was so bullish until the last 2 minutes, then it changed. I think the last 2 minutes, because it was so bullish, there was still a chance it could go higher and then continue lower. So didn't really take that trade there. But you know what? This bearish candle would have like confirmed you a trade. This was like a, what is that, a retest rejection. So yeah, we basically rejected from here. That's what we did. Now the question is, do we come and scoop all this and then go higher and break through this, or is this like the rejection and then we'll just continue lower and then we'll come back one day there? I don't know. The only way we'll find out is if we actually break this level. Yeah, if we actually break this, we'll actually find out. If they aggressively break and come back aggressively up, then there's a chance they don't want to be here. They want to go higher. But if we just break down and then hesitate and then turn, you see this? So basically, if we turn all this, goddamn, I can't even draw a straight line. If we break down here and don't aggressively pull up, then we'll break down and then we'll turn this into resistance. And then there's a possibility you could take short from here. Let's take short from here. But if we break out and show support here, then yeah, longs are the key. When you look at the daily, honestly, the daily, the daily. You see, we only have like 6 hours. There's a possibility we could go higher and work here. I would love to see a work here and then close below, and then the next week, next day, we'll work down here and then go higher. But I don't know if we have enough time. I mean, 6 hours. That's like one fourth or something, right? 18, yeah, one fourth basically. Yeah, one fourth. So yeah, I think we have enough time. Plus here, if you measure this candle, I don't really do this, but you know why the hell not? If you measure this candle, the middle ground is right here. So everything above here is basically how do you say it's on is so this is premium level and this is I guess discount, yeah, discount. So if you look at these, if you measure candles like this, if you want to short in areas, you don't want to short in this area because this is premium, you're paying money. If we're in this level, you're basically getting a discount short in there. You know what I mean? Plus this candle looks bearish, so wait, actually wait, let me draw that line so you guys can see where it is exactly. So if you look at the smaller time frame, we're basically targeting this level, you see? So everything above this line, all this is discount. Everything here, this is premium. Nobody's shorting here. People are longing here, but nobody's shorting here. So I would assume if we do this, then if we do scoop this low, this is a perfect long opportunity to take to here, maybe even to 15-minute. If you want to be less risky, go for here. But if you look at like how the market goes and all the structures and like different levels, basically to the 15-minute imbalance. I mean, they're gonna if they do go up, they're gonna come back, touch this 15 and go do. So they might even go here because once again, everything above this line is all discounts. So they could break this, but I don't think they're gonna break this because if they break this, they basically change everything. So everything above this, basically the bottom of this is all discounts. So but I don't know if we have enough time for today. What is it? Yeah, I don't. Yeah, see. So basically, the day ends right here. This is yeah. This is where the day ends. Now the question is, here, let me just draw a straighter line. This is the end of the day. It's where the market close. Now the question is, do we have enough room to go down, come back up, and then continue higher before the market close? I don't know. No news, none of that. I don't know. I don't think so. There's a possibility. I mean, the longer we stay in this area without breaking and doing this, then the higher chance we're not never gonna get it. There's a chance we could just like move around and then finally break out, and then when we break out, the market close. So unless you want to hold the trade over the weekend, yeah, go for it. And then we don't even know what's gonna happen during the weekend. Like we could do this, right? There's a nice support and stuff, right? And then guess what? There's a war coming out. Well, guess what? It depends. I mean, I think war would make gold more powerful, right? Or something happen, and the gold just nukes, you know. So I don't like weekends holding trade. No, just how many? Okay, so you could trade. Maybe they're gonna come here and then bounce, and then do this. I mean, we actually, we had a trade here. This is the trade we had. Unfortunately, I closed it right here. Where is it? It's not really unfortunately, but like, I closed it right here. But I close it. I basically close it. You see this dark candle? I close it right here, right here. Uh, And the reason I close it because obviously of this candle, bearish, rejected. You see how rejected. I close it. Yeah, I could have like kept it open and maybe closed it right here. We're not perfect, so I probably wouldn't done it. I also moved my stop loss right here. So it would be crazy if this price just goes up here, We wouldn't even got stopped. But yeah, I mean, at one point this trade was like 3 hour basically, because this was 5 hours. So this was like 3 hour. But we weren't targeting this. We were targeting the discount section. You see? I didn't know that the Asian and London session. Actually, Asian session was right here. Here, let's clarify this. Yeah, Asian session was right here. I thought London session gonna actually move price quick, but I guess they didn't. You see, I feel like New York is gonna take London low and then continue higher. But honestly, I felt like I thought London session gonna like. I mean, I didn't really think of the sessions to be honest, but I expected them to be somewhere here. If not, then all the way down there. You know. But it took so long to do this. I expected them to come down and then continue higher right away. But sometimes in trading, sometimes that 1 day trade that you planned, right? That you're like, okay, in 1 day this should happen. Sometimes it takes 2 days because sometimes the market just slows down. So yeah, but yeah, we're not in the trade. We make nice money, like 900 something or 8 something. I don't know, something like that. It was a 1.8 hour something trade or 1.89 hour something like that. It wasn't even a 2 hour, bro. But it is what it is, because right now we would have been lower. We closed at 39,500, 37's almost 500, so we're doing good. Now we want to re-enter. Now we want to re-enter right somewhere here. I'm not gonna enter right here. Probably the best you could like maximize profit, but I don't want to because I want to see what they do. I want them to like wick here. Even if they break this, just like wick, but close above on the 15-minute time frame. And also we want the 1 hour bullish. So right now the 1 hour just yeah, I mean it started a while ago. We want this 1 hour. This 1 hour could be like bearish as hell. And then the next 1 hour like wick and then come up. This would be a perfect case scenario to take a long. If we see something like this 1 hour close whatever, and then the next one wicks below this, and but still close above, well, this would be a perfect trade opportunity. And then the 4 hour basically break, and then the next 4 hour continue higher. So yeah, we're basically watching this. There's no point of taking a short because I mean, yeah, I don't know. What if they just do this and then come down? Something like that. I don't know. We're basically looking for this scoop of 1 hour imbalance. If you want to know where I got 1 hour imbalance right here. So you measure from this top to this bottom, and this is what you get when you have this kind of candle. It could be like any kind of candle. So basically, to measure imbalances, for example, this is a candle, right? The next candle just goes aggressively up. It could have a wick here, it doesn't really matter. And then then the other candle goes like this, and you measure the imbalance from the bottom of this one. Let me just do a straight line from bottom of this one and then from the top of this one. This is what you call imbalance. If this wick was a little longer, then this would be an imbalance. Okay, we just broke this. Now would be nice to come. I mean, they could just move up, but would be nice to come here and then go higher.